Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas. So, eto po masasabi ko po sa inyo. Sa mga kaibigan po natin, sa mga kaibigan ko at sa mga hindi ko kaibigan, huwag po kayong mabahala o talagang mawalan po ng um, motivation na gawin po ninyo ang mga bagay na gusto po ninyong gawin. Ika nga po, kahit po hindi po sila nanonood sa reels po ninyo, okay lang po yun. May nag-unfollow sa'yo, okay lang yun, part of life. Rejection is part of life. So, wag masyadong mawala ng pag-asa. Wag mag-back out. Never quit or else you're not gonna be successful, 'di ba? Pag nag-unfollow yung mga tao sa'yo, okay lang yan. Part of life. Normal lang po yun. 'Di ba? Hindi po tayo lalakas pag tayo po ay talagang nasasaktan pag may mga taong nag-unfollow sa atin. Ito po ang advice ko sa inyo, ha. Pag may nag-unfollow sa inyo, ano bang ginagawa nyo? Nawawalan po kayo ng motivation. You feel bad. Eh sila nga, pinafollow ko. Ako, hindi nila pinafollow. That's not fair. Unfortunately, we're living in a world that is full of unfair situations. So, ang gawin nyo po, eto ang ginawa ko and it feels so good. Pag nag-unfollow po sila sa'yo, you have to at least follow 2 or 3 more people. Doblihin mo yung pagtulong sa mga kapwa creators mo, sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. It doesn't matter na hindi sila nag-follow sa'yo. Your action and your behavior is not supposed to be dictated by how people treat you. We cannot manage people, but we can manage our own emotion, diba? We choose to be successful, we choose to be thankful, and we choose to be grateful. Stop complaining. If they unfollow, so what? That makes them happy. There's billions and billions of people around the world. Explore. Your life is not what I mean is it's not worth it for you to waste your minutes with them. Diba? Life is precious. So don't choose to be annoyed or don't choose to be mad because of somebody didn't follow you back. Okay? Okay lang yan. Part of life. Rejection, di ba? Kainin mo lang yan para tayo lahat ay maging successful. I know it's easier said than done, but once po ninyo na practice po yung rejection, yung mga taong hindi po kayo pinapansin, you're gonna be stronger. Believe me, you have to rely on your own self in making yourself happy, not with other people. It's your job. It's your responsibility. So, eto na. Follow, not 1, but 2 or more people every time na nag-unfollow sa'yo and you will be blessed. Let's keep on loving life, everybody. No matter how crooked it is. Pahinga minsan, andin ngiti with your pulang lipstick kinaumagahan. O, diba? Ingat po tayong lahat at huwag magpadala sa emosyon. Ang emosyon na yan, ay nako, hihilahin ka pababa. Sipa-sipa lata to the left and right ka soon. So, it's your choice, it's our choice. Magandang buhay, magandang gabi Pilipinas, magandang umaga Pilipinas, or whatever time you guys gonna see this. Sarang he!